Frugal living isn't just about saving money. It's about living a fulfilling and sustainable life. In the year 2023, the idea of frugal living has become even more important as the world continues to face economic challenges and environmental concerns. Here are some frugal living habits to adopt in 2023. 1. Plan your meals in advance and stick to a grocery budget. It can be tempting to grab takeout or order delivery when you're short on time or energy, but planning your meals in advance and sticking to a grocery budget can save you money and help you eat healthier. Make a list of what you need for the week and stick to it, avoiding impulse buys. Consider using coupons and shopping at discount stores to save even more. 2. Shop secondhand. From clothing and furniture to electronics and appliances, shopping secondhand can save you money and reduce waste. Thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces like Craigslist and eBay are great places to find gently used items at a fraction of the cost of new. And don't forget to sell or donate your own unwanted items to help others and reduce clutter. 3. Cut down on your energy and water usage. Simple changes like turning off lights when you leave a room, taking shorter showers, and using energy-efficient appliances can save you money on your utility bills. And when it comes to water, fixing leaks and investing in low-flow fixtures can also make a big difference. 4. Reduce your transportation costs. Transportation can be a big expense, but there are ways to save. Consider carpooling with coworkers or friends, using public transportation, or biking or walking instead of driving. If you do need a car, look for a fuel-efficient model and take steps to maintain it to save on gas and repair costs. 5. Ditch the subscription services. From streaming services and magazines to gym memberships and meal delivery plans, subscription services can add up quickly. Take a look at what you're paying for each month and consider cutting back on the ones you don't really use or need. You may be surprised at how much money you can save by canceling just a few subscriptions. 6. Prioritize experiences over things. We often feel the need to buy things to make us happy. But research shows that experiences, such as traveling, attending concerts or events, or even trying a new hobby, can provide more lasting satisfaction. Instead of buying something new, consider spending your money on an experience that will create lasting memories. 7. Be mindful of your waste. In the year 2023, the impact of waste on the environment has become even more apparent. By reducing the amount of waste you produce, you can save money and help protect the planet. Start by bringing your own reusable bags to the grocery store, using a refillable water bottle, and recycling when possible. And consider composting your food waste to reduce the amount of garbage you produce. 8. Embrace and learn new skills. Doing things yourself can save you money and provide a sense of accomplishment. Consider learning a new skill, such as knitting, sewing, or woodworking, to make your own clothes, accessories, or furniture. And when it comes to home repairs or maintenance, doing it yourself can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. 9. Build a support network. Frugal living can be challenging, especially when everyone around you seems to be spending freely. But having a support network of like-minded individuals can provide motivation and ideas for saving money. Consider joining a local frugal living group PR online forum,